Guys, first of all, I want to say hello and welcome, and thank you to all the contributors. And that means all of you, everyone who's contributing, both the comments, sharing the contributions. I love you for it. I greatly appreciate it. This is only the beginning. Guys, this is the surface of the moon. It is my belief that the moon could possibly have been inhabited by a certain species. And I think over a period of thousands and thousands of years, how could the moon have not changed that much? Well, I tend to think maybe it has, but that we're not noticing the changes. With a white surface like this, seeing that our eyes see through the white spectrum, we get back all the time a white surface. I really don't think, so long me, that the moon is reflecting back sunlight. The way I try to present the surface is so that we can see different angles and different depths of fields of view of the photo itself. This is a photo right now that you're looking at. This entire video right now will be photography. It is a way of presenting photography at a surface level, if you want. Eyes view, bird's eye view more on the surface and not so much overhead, but maybe at a different angle. I'm not hiding it. I'm doing it deliberately for all of you to see the surface more properly. What I just pointed to are these very light gray, bridge-like or tunnel-like straight lines that go from object to object, crater to crater that are not being noticed on the surface. They really do look like connectors or corridors to go to whatever structure may be hiding or lurking under inside or outside of any of these craters, supposed craters. It's my belief that these are not craters in any way. Yes, they are cratered because some of them are, holes. Here we are now on the surface again. It's not a manipulated photo, guys. It's very real photo, but you know what? These photos are very small. You can usually see it very, very small on the surface, and you can't see the symmetrical outlining usually because they're more round until you zoom up. I just showed you a triangular and or square cornered edge. You can see like a bridge like at the top left there. The surface, and what you're not noticing actually, look at the center here, the structure. Look at the puzzle piece cut out. Guys, these are beautiful things that we should be analyzing. Now look where I'm putting my hand there. You see that? The structure, how it goes down. These are, so long me, my belief, the structures the moon is or was inhabited. What you're about to see in this video is the surface of the moon. I'm not manipulating these photos in any way. I'm virtually showing you what is on the surface. Some and most of these objects look very industrial. It is my belief that the moon is or was somehow industrialized. Is this a time machine? Is this a distillery machine? Is this a reservoir machine? Is it tunnelization? Is it, it could be many things. Yet we always try to think of what they're doing and we compare them to us. We can't. They are not us. They're very different. The ones living on the moon are very different. Now, why would the moon not have an atmosphere? Seriously. Do you know where the moon is in consideration to the sun? Zoom out. Look at the solar system. We're all going by the sun. We all are. Every species, human or not, on any given planet, all have traditions. They all have a reason to work, to mine elements, to feed themselves, to house themselves. And it's just a vast possibility that, think of it, guys, billions and billions of stars and planets, and they're not that far. They're now finally either finding and or should I say admitting that there are habitable zones very close to Earth, just outside and almost inside of our galaxy, 2, 3 light years away, 7, 11 light years away. They're finding thousands and thousands of planets now. We're in and around Oceanus Procellarum, in the depths of craters and in crevices, and these beautiful, beautiful lit objects, built objects, are in the depths of these craters. You can see a smoke or haze that's on the surface, and if it is, this smoke or haze is not interacting like it's in a space environment. Some of these anomalies, which would possibly be believed to be lava tubes, I guess, I don't know. Look at it here. Beautiful detail is out in the photo. We see now the crater to the right. This is, I don't know, the pipes or installation or industrial installations. I mean, it's just what it looks like. It's connected to the crater. And the one on the bottom too also has a trail that's connected to another anomalistic structure. very special thank you to all website contributors. Dennis Delano, brother, recent donor. Rita the Jagger, another contribution. I love you, dears. Thank you so much. This is amazing having all the support. Melissa Allred, thank you also so very much. This is an amazing community, and we're going to learn so much together. Going to get a lot of videos up this weekend. Tonight, right now, actually, while you guys are watching this, I am outside waiting for the darn clouds to get away from the moon. Steve Olson and I interact on Tuesday nights. WSO YouTube channel. Check out to see what he's finding on other channels.